Today, we're going to practice in English. I made this super simple for you. Why is this helpful? When you repeat after me, your mouth learns English movements, your brain thinks faster in English, speaking becomes easier and more natural. One important thing, please don't skip part 1. Every part is important. It's like building blocks. You need the bottom first, then the middle, then the top. Here's what to do right now. Find a quiet place. Speak out loud with me, turn off your phone, focus only on this video. Your pronunciation will be smoother, you will feel more confident, you will remember these words forever. Are you ready? Are you ready to speak English naturally? Let's begin. Head. Head. Hair. Hair. Face. Face. Forehead. Forehead. Eye. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Eyelash. Eyelash. Nose. Nose. Cheek. Cheek. Mouth. Mouth. Lip. Lip. Tongue. Tongue. Tooth. Tooth. Jaw. Jaw. Chin. Chin. Ear. Ear. Neck. Neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. Arm. Arm. Elbow. Elbow. Forearm. Forearm. Hand. Hand. Finger. Finger. Thumb. Thumb. Nail. Nail. Back. Back. Stomach. Stomach. Buttocks. Buttocks. Leg. Leg. Knee. Knee. Ankle. Ankle. Toe. Toe. Muscle. Muscle. Heart. Heart. Brain. Brain. Belly button. Belly button.